My dog suffers from seasonal allergies, which often get worse in the spring and the summer. When she's been outside on the grass, she becomes quite itchy, she has runny gunky eyes, and often sneezes quite a lot too. If you have a dog that has similar symptoms and maybe they itch more after they've been outside for walks, I'm going to show you what has been an absolute lifesaver for summer, and that is the seasonal soothe tonic. She also gets the seasonal soothe supplement in her meals daily, but we use this 2 to 3 times a day to help soothe those symptoms. It's fast acting, and all you need to do is pop it directly into your dog's mouth, or you can pop it in their meals as well. If you want to know more about our allergy products, just click on the yellow basket.